In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write SEO-optimized product descriptions that will make your product stand out and get noticed by search engines. If you're struggling with making your product descriptions rank higher in search results, stick around. You don't want to miss this. The first thing to understand is that SEO-optimized product descriptions don't just inform, they convert. You need to write descriptions that are both enticing for customers and friendly to search engines. It starts with knowing your target keywords. These are the terms potential buyers are searching for, and you want to sprinkle them throughout your product descriptions, but naturally. No keyword stuffing, just focus on integrating them in a way that makes sense for the reader. Start with a strong product title. The title should include your primary keyword and clearly describe what the product is. It's the first thing your customer will see, so make it count. Next, begin your description by focusing on the key benefits of the product. Tell your audience how it solves their problem or improves their life. Be clear and concise. Think of it as the first pitch that's going to hook them in. After highlighting the benefits, don't forget to mention specific features. Be detailed but avoid jargon. This is the section where people will be looking for specifics: dimensions, colors, materials, and unique selling points. But here's the secret. You can still optimize this for SEO. Use long-tail keywords, which are more specific phrases that customers may use when searching for exactly what you offer. Use bullet points when listing features. This is an easy way for customers to scan through the product information quickly. Plus, search engines love organized, easy-to-read content. Next, add social proof if you can. Customer reviews, ratings, or even a testimonial can help boost credibility and also assist with SEO. Positive feedback, even in a short form, helps search engines understand that your product is popular, relevant, and high quality. Make sure to include a clear call to action at the end of the description. Whether it's buy now, add to cart, or see more details, guide your customers to the next step in the buying process. It's about converting that interest into a sale, so be direct and compelling with your CTA. Now, if you're wondering how to keep up with all this, you're in luck. I've tested the top SEO tools out there, and I'm recommending the one that helped me the most in crafting these SEO-optimized product descriptions. You can follow along with an exclusive free trial of this software, available only for viewers of my channel. Check the link in the description below. Here's your key takeaway. Write for both people and search engines. Focus on the benefits first, provide details, and sprinkle in keywords where they fit naturally. And most importantly, keep your descriptions clear, concise, and compelling. To recap, include the main keyword in the title, highlight the product's benefits, be specific about the features, and use bullet points. Add social proof and finish with a strong call to action. And don't forget about that exclusive free trial. It's linked below. That's it. If you found this helpful, go ahead and grab your free trial and start writing those SEO-optimized product descriptions today.